Hello, I'm Sarah with WTI. I love taking a bath, but my bathtub was not the most comfortable situation. Well, this luxurious bath mat from Poemland completely changed my bathtub. I am not exaggerating when I tell you this is ridiculously cushioned and comfortable. It is a full body bath mat. So it's not just a great pillow for the top or, cushion for your back. It's full length. So you're going to have cushion all the way. Now it has suction cups all along the back. And I was thoroughly impressed, especially not only with the comfort level, but how quickly and easily this dried. So I just hang it up in my shower. They've included a hook that you can attach if you don't have one. You can also hang it outside. It literally dries by the next day. So you don't have to worry about it staying wet or getting gross, and you can wash it. So they give you a little laundry bag that you can use, and you can wash it right in your washing machine. So this has completely transformed my bathtub. So whether you have a gorgeous, super fancy bathtub, or you're like me and you're just trying to get by with one that's not that great and kind of uncomfortable, this is going to elevate your bathtub to a spa. You are not going to want to get out of the tub. That is the number one danger I'm going to tell you. And that is my point of view.